So it's that time of the year again when we get to reflect on the last 12 months and what a year it's been. Who would have imagined back in January what we were going to face in the months ahead? I should also draw your attention at this point to a podcast that we're doing on Christmas Eve, which goes through in detail our year's highs and lows with a little bit of fun along the way. So it all started in January. International visits were allowed, exhibitions still going strong, and Mac was just around the corner, or so we thought. Paul, Colin and Chris went to Dubai for the Global Channel, filming at Steel Fab, whilst the team were back here getting busy, getting the year underway, producing some new content from companies up and down the country. It all began to change in February as Mark and Paul visited the DMG Mori Open House, which ended up being a great event, but one of the last that we would visit this year. It really was a terrific showcase of machinery and technology, and let's hope they put on a similar feast of innovation sometime soon. For the team back in the UK, it was still business as normal, excitement building for Mac, Brexit transition year underway, and machine tool companies reporting good sales numbers and ordering plenty of machines for stock to satisfy the post-Mac rush. March was a month of two halves, the first pretty much normal and the second far from that. The 23rd was the day where lockdown was announced and there was very little clarity about manufacturing. Some decided to close their doors and others kept on going. COVID-19 was definitely here to stay for a while. April, May and June were all about survival of the fittest. Here at MTD, we produced a daily news programme inviting guests to tell us about their experiences during the pandemic. It was this period that showed us, MTD, that our channels were becoming invaluable as traffic soared and demand for exposure was like never before. Engineers were opening their doors to us safely and we were producing content to support the industry on a daily basis once again. The ventilator challenge was also underway and manufacturing was now designated as a key industry, so we were all getting back into the swing of things, and wow, the weather was great. It was about this time the team at MTD decided this was the time to invest in the future. New apprentices started with us and we began developing our new app, which will be live on January the 1st. The MTD network went through a radical change, now offering engineers the ultimate in exposure and opportunity to get new customers. Plus, there was talk of us offering live events, which meant there was definitely light at the end of the tunnel for all. July, August and September. Business and GDP was returning to some form of normality. We were all told to go back to work and enjoy the holiday period. The Sybil scheme and bounce back loans were helping companies invest in new technology, and this was a big part of our narrative for that period. There were plenty of deals happening and companies adopting automation at last here in the UK. And this period also saw us start delivering live events, taking technology to people's screens, one being the launch of the Vulcan machines from ETG. October. Everything seemed to almost be back to the norm as Paul and Colin visited the first show since February as they went to Toolex for the MTD Global Channel, an event that was quiet but at last somewhere trying to restart the events industry. The show was in Poland and was about 1/10 of the size of previous years. Needless to say, the guys enjoyed jumping on a plane again. Back here, more live events were on the agenda as we hosted the SECO and DMG Mori and Citizen shows, both underpinning the fact that this is how engineers want their information currently, digitally, in the comfort of their house or, in fact, factory. November and December. Even though manufacturing was still going, the country did lock down again, but somewhat different this time. For us, not a lot changed. In fact, we attracted a whole host of new clients in this period, all gearing up for 2021 and having their heads turned by our live events, which by this time were becoming the best and almost only way to promote new technology. We commissioned a live event at ETG and Quickrime, both seeing thousands of viewers and showing us that for 2021, this is the way forward. And our big news in December had to be Tony Gunn joining the team to head up the global channel. Starting January 2021, Tony is taking MTD overseas and we simply can't wait. What a year. It's been busy, it's been fun, but it's also been difficult for all, and we appreciate that. COVID-19 has affected our entire way of life in so many ways, and Christmas, I'm sure, won't be the same. All the team at MTD would like to extend their thoughts to those that have suffered this year, and hopefully, at times, our content not only informs you, but makes you smile too, because it doesn't always go according to plan. So Merry Christmas from us all at MTD, and we'll see you in 2021.
Right, but this is Jack. You've seen him before, you've seen me before. We're about to do the best video of our lives, aren't we, Jack?
Indeed.
Confidence. So, Jack, what is DMG Mori going to bring to Mac regarding automation?
Yeah, so at Mac we'll be showcasing various numerous.
This part, what's going on here?
I don't know.
This is a monster. This is a powerhouse. Woohoo!
Genos U4000 offering the world.
No, you nearly had it. From Leader CNC Technologies. And it's the... I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so what they were doing before is they...
Have a chat with Steve and the team here because they've been up to a few things. First of all, Steve, you're not actually Newport anymore, are you?
No, never was though.
So for more information, contact DTS UK Machine Tool Services for more information. Oh my God!
Maintain a higher accuracy and ultimately produce more.
That's a blooper. Brilliant, and looking forward to the next issue.
Yep.
Busy at work, busy at work. Hey! Did that move because of me? Oh, it's because I put, oh, sorry.
A bit about the B3000 second series this is, isn't it?
B300.
That's it.
Good job I was here.
You do that.
Smash it.
Smile. There you go. Are my legs in shot? MTDCNC. I can't even say the name of the company now. I'm about to show you something huge.
Yeah.
Can I say that? I'm about to show you something. Is that rude?
Now, John, you've got a huge product portfolio.
Strong, you've got a.
Professionals do you have in place to be able to support this?
Well, we have a dedicated technical support team internally, and we also have a large external team. We have an internal team.
Sorry, very rude.
We have an internal team.
First of all, sorry, this is slightly out of order because Chris has done loads of artifact takeaways and stuff. But, well, yeah, he's well out of order, man. Lubricant, coolant trays down here, which has been recycled as well. Or is that Gina's bath water? I don't really know.
Sorry, I had to.
Hold on a second.
I've got some noise in the background. I'm going to make it quiet, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You've just ruined the whole thing there because you're sitting there, very, very, well attired with this nicely ironed shirt.
I know, I've got a pair of shorts on.
Yeah.
So there you go. What a story from Paul there at Rotec Engineer. Wow, so what a story there from Paul at Rotec Engineering. Now, I've been to his advanced manufacturing centre in a company worth looking at if you're looking to place components. It's Rotec. Right, okay. Wow, what a business. So there you have it from Paul there in and of course equipment suppliers. You'll see one. Oh, that's waffle. That's waffle. Right.
Yeah. Well, I said that.
The high resolution is.
It's too good.
I'm timer man. It's not clapper man, I am timer man.
A successful company. And then I'm going to go back to you.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
A successful company.
Shropshire Precision, oh, I didn't say it. Right, this is going to be 20 takes. Shropshire Precision Engineering. Right, concentrate. Shropshire Precision, excuse my French.
Is the amount of available hours in a year. Sorry, my nose is running. I can't have my nose. Hold that thing. What's your name?
Cyril.
And how do you call it? Sarapop?
It's
Cyril Sarapop?
I can't tell you.
Okay, this is going to be an interview. But anyway, of one of DMG Mori's most popular selling machines in the UK, it's the NTX 2000. Mark, what machine is this?
Well, this is the NTX 2000.
Just said that.
Look at the Greater Paddison discussing pricing. Yes, and this is his natural habitat in the office in Birmingham. He's crept out of his office.
In the UK. Watch them steps, Chris. You won't fall down them in a minute.
I feel there might be foul play.
MTDCNC. Oh God.
What's your favourite pop star? Elton John. Oh God, here he is.
It's there's a band called Bros. When will I be famous?
Scott is in a swing band, and this is. I might do it all. I'm not going to sing. I can't sing. 2 white check. 1 2. Yo. Brap.
Rap.
Brap. Rap.
Good.
Should we do a rap? Yo, why? Visit NCMT at Matt.
I don't know why.
So that's it for this. Well, for today's MTD Daily. Boom, done.
Okay, that was easy, wasn't it?
No.